Natural Remedies for Tinnitus Relief, Muira Puama and Ginger. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring natural remedies for tinnitus relief, focusing on Muira Puama and Ginger. If you're struggling with that constant ringing in your ears, stay tuned to learn how these two herbs might help. Tinnitus is the perception of noise or ringing in the ears, a condition affecting millions worldwide. It can result from age-related hearing loss, ear injury, or circulatory system disorders. While there's no definitive cure, some natural remedies show promise in alleviating symptoms. First, let's talk about Muira Puama. Also known as potency wood, this Amazonian plant has been used traditionally to enhance cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve overall vitality. But how does it help with tinnitus? Muira Puama may improve blood flow and have neuroprotective effects. Improved circulation can help alleviate tinnitus symptoms by ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery to the ear's auditory cells. Next, we have ginger, a popular spice known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But did you know it can also benefit those with tinnitus? Ginger helps reduce inflammation, which can be a contributing factor to tinnitus. It also improves circulation and has been used in traditional medicine to treat various ear-related issues. So how do Muira Puama and ginger work together to help with tinnitus? When combined, Muira Puama and ginger can enhance each other's benefits. Muira Puama's potential neuroprotective effects and ginger's anti-inflammatory properties create a synergistic approach to managing tinnitus symptoms. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate these into your routine. You can find Muira Puama and ginger in various forms, such as supplements, teas, and tinctures. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. While more research is needed to fully understand their effects, Muira Puama and ginger offer promising natural options for those seeking tinnitus relief. Remember, managing tinnitus often requires a multifaceted approach, including lifestyle changes, stress management, and professional guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.